You know, as a traveler who documents my experiences in different places, especially the off-the-beaten destinations, I wouldn't be able to document my memories without housing all my travel gear in one day backpack. This right here is my old LowePro backpack that's been with me for the longest time, and I brought it to like the farthest islands of Balabac and even the highest mountains of Luzon. Now I'm at the point of my life that I need to retire this very reliable LowePro backpack to something new. So without further ado, let me introduce to you my new backpack for adventure travel. The LowePro Photoactive BP300AW. So let's get started.
Okay, alright.
The LowePro Photoactive BP300AW is an adventure camera backpack for people looking for a lightweight, rugged outdoor camera backpack that you can take to your adventures or everyday use. It is a backpack that you can easily access your gear. This model weighs only 1.48 kilograms and it has a volume of 25 liters. So it's slightly bigger than my old one, which is 22 liters. The color that I have here is a black and gray color scheme, but they also have a bright blue black version. It can house one mirrorless camera, two lenses, one foldable drone, and an action camera. So let me give you guys a walkthrough of this bag. It has a multi-function system to allow you to get your gears with ease. Each of the two sides has a pocket to which you can add water bottle or a tripod. Both of the same areas also has a zipper access where you can grab your gears easily. The right side has a memory card slot and also a zipper pocket, while the left zipper access has one large slot that maybe you can add a wallet and two small slots that you can put a pen or even a lens pen. It also has a translucent zipper pocket for those items that you want to see right away, so that you don't need to open this zipper for you to check if it's there. The top to the front portion has several compartments. It has a cradle fit compartment that can store a 13-inch laptop, which doubles as a storage for hydration pack. Here is a top access that you can add your accessories. It also has a small front pocket that has a hook to hook your keys, for example, and it also has an all-weather cover to protect your bag from elements like dust, dirt, or rain. Here is a trico-lined front stash pocket, which is perfect to protect your items like sunglasses to avoid scratches. And a large stretch mesh pocket in which maybe I could put my slippers in this area. On top of the stretch mesh, there's a reflective strip, which is useful for visibility in the dark. And it also has these straps where you can maybe attach hiking poles while you're on the trip. Looking at the bottom of this bag, you can see that it has a solid base to support to keep the bag standing in a vertical position. Right at the back of this bag, I'm sure you adventure seekers will love this. It has an active zone back panel giving you that support and comfort. The shoulder straps has a chest strap and also a removable waist strap to give you that extra stability. It also has a harness storage, which is perfect for phones, sunglasses, or other accessories that you would like to put in front of you while you are wearing this bag. And right over here on top is the hole where you can pass the pipe of the hydration pack. Now let's talk about this quick shelf. So this is LowePro's molded divider that you can customize on how you want to store your gears. It's much sturdier compared to my old divider, and I feel that LowePro did a good job of making sure that your gears will be safe while on the go. As a LowePro user for the longest time, this is definitely a backpack that I would use for when I do hikings around the mountains, exploring the waterfalls, and places that require me to go to off-the-beaten places. If you want to learn more about this LowePro model, I'll drop a link in the description for you to check it out. Alrighty, that ends my quick product review of the LowePro Photoactive BP300AW. If you're a creator using LowePro backpacks, what LowePro model are you using? Comment your answer down in the comment section. For more product reviews like this, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to be updated on my next videos. This is Joe Serrano, and I'll see you in the next episode. See you guys!